In this video you will learn how to create specific URLs, custom URLs for your booking engine. So we go to connectivity, booking engine, and over here on the center you have dashboard mapping URLs, and you have specific calendar URLs. And let's say you just want to use one product. You have this product, so you have here the extension needed. So let's say you want to use Clara product and room, and then you also want the dog fee and the baby bed. So you see it has been generated a specific link with the product codes on inside on the link. So when you open a new tab and make a search, you can see here your apartment, and then you also see the extra services that can be added to the system. And when you go to the summary, you also see the extras being added. So creating the custom URL, it's just going to booking engine URLs, specific URL, and you select the values that you need. You can combine more, and also you can select and deselect the IDs or the products you don't need. So here you have the open new tab, or you can even copy this link for you. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.